Hey, I'm Grant at Affordable Comfort, and today we're going to talk about how can you tell if you need a sewer line repair. Key indicators of sewer line problems. Frequent backups. If your drains clear slowly, this is a signal of blockage or damage in the sewer line. Unpleasant odors. Persistent sewer smells near drains or in your yard suggest a possible leak or break into the sewer line. Wet patches in your yard. Soggy areas or unusual green patches in your lawn may indicate a sewer leak underground. Gurgling noise. Strange sounds from your toilet or drains can be a sign of air trapped in the sewer lines due to blockages or cracks. The process of sewer line inspection and repair. Professional plumbers use sewer cameras to conduct thorough inspections of the sewer lines. This non-invasive method allows them to identify the exact location and nature of the problem without immediate excavation. Based on the inspection results, the plumber can recommend the best repair method, whether it's spot repair, pipe relining, or complete sewer line replacement. The importance of timely repairs. Delaying sewer line repairs can lead to more severe issues, including extensive property damage and health hazards from sewage exposure. Professional sewer line repair services. Experienced plumbers have the tools and experience to perform a sewer camera inspection, then diagnose and fix sewer line issues efficiently. In conclusion, being vigilant about the signs of sewer line damage and acting promptly can save you from the hassle of extensive sewer repairs. If you notice any of the warning signs, it's wise to contact a professional plumber to inspect and repair your sewer line, ensuring your home remains safe and comfortable. If you're noticing any of these problems mentioned, please give us a call at Affordable Comfort. This is Grant at Affordable Comfort, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.